There are many products available to choose exercise bikes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best exercise bikes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Belt Drive Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. At a lower price point than others on the list, this indoor cycling bike from Sunny Health and Fitness is a great entry-level affordable option for any home gym. It may not have as many bells and whistles as others, but the sturdy design has over 4,000 5-star ratings on Amazon. Reviewers agreed that it's good quality for the price. This indoor exercise bike has a few things going for it, namely the heavy 49-pound flywheel that our experts say provides an overall smooth ride. We found it to be relatively quiet too. The handlebars are multi-grip to accommodate a variety of cycling positions. You'll find a slot to put your water bottle as well, but no cradles for small dumbbells. Professional assembly is available, but most reviewers found the bike easy to put together themselves. Number 2. Horizon Fitness 7iC Indoor Cycle Bike. This exercise bike features 0 to 100 levels of magnetic resistance, paired with an 28.6-pound aluminum flywheel, to provide riders with a smooth, stable, and quiet ride, which our testers noted and appreciated. The multi-position handlebars can be adjusted both horizontally and vertically, which is ideal if multiple family members want to use the bike to ride. The bike can support up to 300 pounds of weight as well. On the display, riders can easily circle through stats like time, distance, cadence, calorie burn, and heart rate, though it is worth noting that some testers had trouble connecting the included Bluetooth heart rate armband. The bike also has dual water bottle holders, a tablet holder, and charging port, so you can use and charge your device simultaneously so it doesn't lose battery. Choose whether you want to ride with sneakers in the toe cages, or flip the dual-sided pedals for SPD clips. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial S22i Studio Cycle. If you're considering a smart bike and find Peloton is too expensive, the S22i is a solid choice that offers very similar features for a fraction of the price. It's also a beginner-friendly choice that doesn't require you to additionally purchase cycling shoes and offers a plethora of content for both cycling newbies and competitive cyclists. The iFit membership is included for the first year and then must be purchased 39-month. But it can be enjoyed by multiple members in your household while it's active. NordicTrack delivers a feature-rich exercise bike with incredible capabilities that rivals the Peloton bike. There's the large 22-inch touchscreen with stellar HD graphics that rotates a full 360 degrees for floor classes, or any off-the-bike workouts from any angle. The ride itself is smooth, and the bike has a beautiful overall design. Number 4. Assault Fitness Assault AirBike. Serious athletes will love the addition of an AirBike to their home gym. Also known as fan bikes, AirBikes like this one are popular in the CrossFit community and are known for providing an efficient full-body workout in seconds. Many favor AirBikes for high-intensity interval training workouts. Even a quick 20-second burst can get your heart rate through the roof. Your legs pedal while your arms also move the handles back and forth, so the harder you push, the harder the movement becomes. The steel fan delivers a high level of endurance, providing a true total body workout. The thin console on this model offers 7 onboarding program options and metrics like calories burned, distance, time, and heart rate. The seat adjusts in several directions, including up and down and a tilt. Our fitness pros say that this bike is durable, top quality, and delivers an effective workout quickly. Number 5. Schwinn Fitness IC4 Indoor Cycling Bike. Schwinn's IC4 delivers a solid indoor cycling bike with a smooth ride and lots of diverse features at a decent price, making it a top pick in our tests. A standout on this sleek model is that it offers 100 resistance levels. The sturdy bike performs well and offers a relatively quiet ride. You can ride the bike clipless with SPD-compatible cycling shoes or with regular sneakers and toe cages, since the bike offers dual-sided pedals. Some bikes require you to swap out the regular sneaker pedal for a cycling shoe pedal, which can be inconvenient. The dual-sided pedals on the IC4 make things simple. which are pros like, especially if some of the members of your household have cycling shoes and others do not. A separate smart device is required to access the connected fitness content. If you have a large family, you'll appreciate that JRNY offers unlimited tracking of milestones, achievements, and more for your entire household. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.